A sportsman's paradise. Located in Bosque County, just minutes from the town of Morgan, lies the Indian Sky Ranch. At 1,864 acres, this Texas treasure is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Why not start your day by grabbing your fishing rod, jump into your ATV, let the wind on your face pull you from your slumber as you meander over to the beautiful blue water of your 17-acre lake. Reaching depths of more than 30 feet, it is stocked with large bass and catfish. Or grab your coffee and choose from any number of the large ponds scattered throughout Indian Sky. Jump back into your ATV and fly over the rolling hills, across the open pastures and through the cover of trees. You can stop at the sporting clay range with 6 clay target houses to work on your short game. Or grab a different caliber and head over to the long-distance shooting range to perfect your craft. Take another short drive past a few friends to your high-fenced area, consistent of over 900 acres with white-tailed deer, fallow deer, aoudad, and black buck. Then to cool off in the afternoon, you can do some angling and kayaking down Mesquite Creek. Or splash your way through Steel Creek. Both run through Indian Sky for almost a mile each. Located an hour from Fort Worth, 90 minutes from Dallas, 2 hours from Austin, and a little over 3 from Houston, this centrally located sportsman paradise is a rare find indeed. After a long day out, you park your ATV in the new storage shed, tinker around in your more than 2,000 square foot climate-controlled shop. And finally, you park yourself in front of a Texas meal fit for a king. Contact Clayton-Waggoner for more details. And you might want to hurry on this one. It ain't gonna last.